It was one night before Christmas in a small snowy village. Everyone was busy preparing for the big day.
Look, the Christmas tree is almost ready. Bring the star. Let's finish decorating.
In this video, I want to show you how to create kids cartoon videos using AI, using your phone, and using free tools. The first step is to head over to ChatGPT and type in the story you want. You can see I asked ChatGPT to give me a story, and here is the story. Here is a perfect Christmas story for your kids video. Short, heart-touching, easy to animate, and guaranteed to perform well during the Christmas season. As you can see, the title of my story is The Little Star That Saved Christmas. That is the title of my story. So that is what you are supposed to do on ChatGPT. Ask any type of story you want and they'll give you all. You can come up with your own story. It is also it can also work, but you also need the help of ChatGPT to break down the scenes and everything for you. You can see now these are the scenes. And you can see there is the ending, the lesson, the kid will learn, remember more lessons, participate more on kids videos. Okay, now as you can see, they asked me if you want I can create image generation prompts, and that is what I want. I want image generation prompts for each and every scene, and I will go ahead and ask ChatGPT this. Give me image generation prompt for each scene. Every scene. If you want for 2 scenes, all of them is also accepted. As you can see, it is just 1 minute and to give me not even a minute, a second. Okay, this is the first scene. You can see that scene 1. You can see the prompt to generate the image and then animate the image and then add the voiceovers. I'm going to show you all these steps. Okay, as you can see, my story is too long. That's the 10th scene. It can work because if you want a 30 minutes 20-minute video, you have a lot of scenes to work with, and the longer the video and the engaging the video, the more the views and everything. Remember that, guys. Okay, so you need to produce quality, not quantity. You can even create a 2-minute video and it will work. Then I want to ask ChatGPT this. Give me a full voiceover script. Give me a full voiceover script. And then it will give me the full voiceover script, the narrator audio, the part of the narrator, and the part where the characters should speak themselves. Okay, as you can see, this is the narrator audio, the child 1, the adult 1 for scene 1. For scene 2, you can see there is the adult 2, child 2, and the narrator. Okay, and you can see in every scene there is audio for the narrator and for the characters in this story. Okay, that is how you can create kids cartoon videos using AI for free. Okay, now the next step here is now to copy the audio and generate it using any free AI that can create audio. Okay, free AI to create audio for free. Okay, you can see ChatGPT can also create for you a thumbnail and camera angles for each and every video script, but that is not for today. I'm not going to do that. I just want to create the images. Okay, now the next step you're going to do, you're going to create our images. Now the second step, guys, is to create our images. And to create our images, we need first of all to copy the prompt and head over to this tool that I normally to use most to generate my images on my videos on YouTube. And if you follow me, you know this tool. Okay, the name of this tool is Pixvert AI. So you head over to Pixvert AI and click on create, and you're given 10 credits each and every day, and one image uses 1 credit. So per day you can create 10 credits. Okay, copy and paste your prompt there. Adjust the aspect ratio. If you want 16:9 or 9:16, is up to you. You know what you want to create and click on the purple icon and wait it for some seconds and it will generate for you a stunning image. Okay, Pixvert AI gives you what you asked for. Okay, as you can see, that is the image. Click on download and save the image on your device. Okay, now the second step is to create our second image. Repeat the process. This is what we are going to do for all the scenes. Creating all the scenes. If they are 10, 20, 30, you're going to do this. But guys, there's other image creation AI or image AI tool that can create for you images. I will list them in the description of this video. Okay, like this video you are watching so far and subscribe to this channel. Let's go together. Okay, repeat the same process, give it some seconds and it will generate for you beautiful stunning image. I like the image. Okay, now I have created 3 images and I want to download all my images and save them on my device. Okay, now you can just click on download and save them on your device. Okay, you will find them on your gallery of your device. Okay, now the next step guys is to create our audio or to turn this script into audio. Okay, we are going to use one of my favorite tool and it is free. And first of all, copy the audio you want. You can see there is a narrator for scene 1, there is child 1 and there is adult 1. So you need to copy all these and save them on the clipboard of your phone, and then you're going to Google AI Studio to turn them into voices, turning voices, monetizable voices. Okay, now head over to Google AI Studio and click on multiple speaker if you want to create a dialogue, and click on single speaker if you want to create a single audio. Okay, now for me I want to start with the dialogue, so I'm just going to choose the single speaker, and you can see Nana Banana is also here, Google View is also here, and many other tools are available on Google AI Studio. Okay, but you're going to use this feature we call Google AI Studio. The one is speech generator. Okay, click on multiple speaker. After clicking on that, you need to copy and paste each and every word or sentence. However, you need to choose the voice or you want to use. There is a name and voice. You listen to the voice and choose the voice under the name. Okay, you understand? Okay, make sure the voices are quite different so that the viewers can differentiate who is speaking. You cannot confuse them because some of the audio here are too similar. So you need to copy for one for a female, the other one for a male, different tones and all that, so that you can come up with the best audio. Okay, now I have chosen my audio or the audio I want to use. Now the next process is to copy and paste the sentences I want each and every speaker to say. For this, you cannot only create a dialogue between 2 people. That is what it offers, but remember it's free and that is good. Okay, now what you're going to do here, you can see the speaker 1, copy what you want speaker 1 to say, copy that. You can see I've copied everything. I want to delete the extras. After deleting the extras, yeah, that is how I will delete them. After that, I will click on add dialogue, and you can see if I click on add dialogue, there is speaker 2 and under speaker 2 I need to copy what speaker 2 should say. And this is interesting guys, remember this is free. Okay, that is what the speaker 2 should say. After that, because I just have one sentence for each and every speaker, if you have more, you just click on add dialogue and you continue adding dialogue. That's the process. Okay, now the next step is to scroll down here and click on learn. You can see last learn, and you can see it will create for you the voice or the dialogue with some second, and that is the dialogue. And the dialogue is okay, you just click on there and click on download and download and save it on your device. You repeat this for scene 2, for scene 3 up to the last scene. And Google AI Studio is free and unlimited. Okay, free and unlimited. Okay, now here we are going to create our second scene or the audio for the second scene or for the narrator first. Okay, you just choose on single generator audio, single speaker audio. Choose the audio you want to use for your narrator. For your narrator, you need to choose something that's close to someone who is narrating a story, because he will be or she will be narrating your story and then the characters will be speaking. So remember, the audio should be different also. Okay, now after that, after choosing the audio, but it is difficult to choose an audio that comes out very well, Sometimes it is disturbed, but continue. Remember, we want perfection and quality, not quantity. Okay. So if guys are watching this video so far, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And hope you have done so. Thank you. Okay. Now you can see here is where I am supposed to copy my sentence, or I am supposed to copy what my narrator should say, and this is what he or she should say. But I like male AI voices. I like them. They sound very well. Okay. So after that, you need to click on learn, and you can see the audio have been created within some minutes. And after that, you just download your audio. You can see this the audio. You download the audio and save it on your device. Okay. Hope you're following this so far. Let's go to the next step. Now our next step is to turn our styling images into videos, and you're going to use this HeyGen AI app. You can lip sync also, and you can also turn an image into a video. And it is free. You can see how 300 credits, and to create one video is uses 20 credits. So you are given a lot of credits to create a video per day. Okay, you need to click on create, choose the aspect ratio, crop the aspect ratio. That is the process. After that, you need to crop, wait for it to crop. It is must load. That is how it must do it. After that, you need to click on the gallery icon or the photo icon and upload your photo on HeyGen AI app. Okay, to find HeyGen, you're going to download HeyGen using your Play Store on your phone. Okay, now let's choose the first image we created. That is what you're going to use. Okay, choose that image and click on select, and you can see the image is being downloaded. Wait for it to be uploaded up to 100%. Okay, as you can see, it is complete. That is the process. Okay, after that, you wait for it to appear. Your image should appear. Okay, my image has appeared. Now the next step is to add the prompt. Adding the prompt is very easy, because the prompt you use to create the image is the same prompt you're going to use to create the video. Okay, I will repeat again. The prompt you use to create the image is the same prompt you're going to use to create the video. Okay, remember guys to give this video a like. Okay, copy your prompt there, or paste it. That is pasting. Choose how many seconds you want the video to be. That is 5, 10 up to 30, but for free it's just 5 and 10. But I don't want my video to be so long and not to be boring. I can advise you to create 5 seconds video. Now you make sure that you have pasted. I think I've pasted mine twice. Okay, I'm going to just copy and cut the part I don't want, or the extra part. Okay guys, remember to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. I will remind you 100,000 times, because that is doing great for me. If you do that, you're doing great work for me. Okay, now you can see it is quite disturbing. I don't know the reason, but let me just try and cut this part, because I have pasted it twice and I want just one. If you can't just use that ball, I think you'll confuse the AI and it'll create something that is or it looks very awkward. Okay, now okay, cut it, and after cutting it, just use the pointer to remove the extra text. Okay, after that, you need to click on the tick icon. After that, now you need to click on generate video. You can see your axe lip motion. Okay, here is if you want to add lip sync. You can see that it's a free and there's a paid part, but I'll go for free. Remember, I said in this video everything is free. Okay, if you want to add the audio from your device, click on upload audio. This is the audio we have created using Google AI Studio, the dialogue. Okay, now pasting the dialogue there. After doing that, you wait for it to load.
The Christmas tree is almost
Listen
ready.
to it
Bring the
and
star. Let's finish
be sure
decorating.
that the audio you want to be used on this video is the audio you chose. Okay,
Bring the star. Let's finish decorating.
that is the audio now. Yes, listen to the audio and you can hear that is the audio. After doing that, click on the tick icon. After clicking on the tick icon, click on generate video. Click on generate video. Okay, but there's other tools you can use here. There is adding music, adding motions, whatever you want to add you can add, but it all matters with what you want. Okay, you can see it takes 14 minutes for your video to be created, but I can trust you, it is not always up to 14. Sometimes 4, 10. Sometimes if the app is not busy, it can create for you up immediately after asking it. Okay, you just now give it time and to create. Okay, now here is after 14 minutes and the video is ready. Click on download icon, that is the download icon, and you can play it here and see it, but it will take some time. Okay, just download it and you shall view it on your gallery. Okay, remember this clip will go with or will be uploaded or downloaded with the what is it called? Okay, I will tell you later. Okay, now just you can see the video have been downloaded and head over to gallery to watch the video. Okay, I wanted to tell you guys that the video will be downloaded with the watermark, and I have showed you a million times in this channel how to do away with this watermark, because they always come up with to an edge of the video. Okay, so if you want to know, watch my last video. Okay, bye.